Hi everyone, in front of me I've got BLACKVIEW Tab 12 Pro, and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So I'd like to start with the customization of this mode, and after that I'll show you much faster access to this feature via the shortcut in the upper bar. So let's start with opening the settings, and here let's find the proper option, I believe in the display. Let's tap. Now let's tap on the eye comfort, and we have to choose either the time opening or all day opening. I'll choose the all day opening right now. As you can see, the screen turns yellowish or even amber. It is in order to filter the blue light. What's more, it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light, so if you're a night owl, then I highly recommend to use this option. We can also use time opening, and basically here we can kind of customize this eye comfort, so we can schedule that feature. We can choose the start and the end time, so it will not be displayed all the time. It will start on the hour you will choose, and then end whenever you will, on whichever hour you will set. So it's up to you whether you want to use it or not. And basically this is the whole customization of this eye comfort. Unfortunately, in this device we really cannot change the intensity of that feature, or we cannot change actually anything. But still, that's okay that we can schedule that. If you want to have much faster access to this feature, all you have to do is to unroll the top bar. Let's unroll it fully. We have to open it, and then let's go and find the night light, which is not the eye comfort mode we've just customized, but the night light. As you can see, after turning it on just by tapping on this icon, the screen turns yellowish again. So this is the same mode. However, here it is named differently for some reason. But the night light here is the eye comfort mode. Of course, we can turn it off the same way just by tapping on the switcher. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.